Hi guys, I hope you are doing great. So today in this lecture we'll be working on operator. Alright, so to work on operator we can go ahead and get started with creating a new class. Okay, now let's give our class name as operator. Alright, now we can define static void main string args, and under this we'll be actually performing the operation. Okay, so in C# we have got 4 different types of operator that you can work on. Okay, so first one that we have is, it's known as arithmetic operator. Alright, and then next one that we have got is, it's known as relation operator. Conditional operator. And the last one that we have is, it's known as unary operator. Alright, and now let's see like how we can work on arithmetic operator. Alright, arithmetic operator. So in arithmetic operation we have got plus operation, then we have got minus operation, then we have got multiply operation, then we have got division operation, and finally we have got modulus. So this modulus is known as remainder operator. So if you want to get the remainder of an operation, you can use mod operator. Alright, now let's understand them in practically. So what we can do, let's take one variable int a equals to 20. Alright, int b equals to, let's take 30. Alright, now let's try to perform operation one by one for all these arithmetic operator. So console.writeLine a plus b. Alright, so let's run and see what is happening. Okay, so before running, what we have to make sure, we can just clean our project first. Once the clean is done, we can go to properties and then look for our startup object. So yeah, so once this is done, now you can go back and run this. So see, now you can see the output as 50, right? Similarly, we can go ahead and do different operation. We can do a minus b, then we can go ahead and do a star b, and then we can go ahead and do a slash b, and finally mod operator. Alright, now let's run and see like what is happening now. Yeah, see, so a plus b is 50, a minus b is 10, a into b is 600. Then when you divide 20 by 30, you will get 0, and when you do this mod operation, you will get 20 as the remainder. Alright, okay, Now let's suppose int c equals to, I've given as 10, and int d equals to 20. Alright, now when you do slash operation, so let's suppose we are doing this slash operation. Okay, so 10 divided by 20, like if you check it, it is 0.5, right? So ideally your output should be 0.5. Okay, but when we are actually running, let's see like what the output is. See here, you're getting output as 0, right? So what is actually happening internally when you are defining int as the data type for both these values? Okay, so here like it's cast is actually taking place, so it's known as casting int of 0.5. okay, so in that way we are getting the value as 0.5. okay, so let's suppose we want to actually get the decimal values. So let's see, I modify this to double. Okay, now let's run the code and see like what is happening now. See, now we are getting the output as 0.5, right? So what is happening is, let's suppose you have the operation that needs to be performed, like we have got int and then we have got double, right? So what is happening here, the data type whose precedence is high, actually that is something which is considered. So here double has got higher precedence, that's why we are getting 0.5 as the value. All right, so yeah, I think you have understood like so far. If you have any questions, you can ask me over the comments and I will try to help you out. Okay,